شنو نبهني؟ We want to find x effective. Effective for this waveform x of t. Formula x effective دائما تذكر ان هي root mean square. And root mean square it is equal to 1 over t integration from 0 to t x square t dt. ركز على الاكس سكوير لان اذا بدون اكس سكوير فكأنك قاعد تطلع الافريج وهذه مو صح. Okay, so be careful. Under root. So first we need to find x square. هذه أول خطوة وأهم خطوة ذي. Okay, x square this is t. This one it is t over 2. This is constant. سميناها gamma. So then at 0 it will be equal to gamma square. Okay, هذه t over 2. Then this one it is t over 4. معناته هنا at t over 4. At t over 4 it is equal to 0. The value here is 0. So 0 squared is equal to 0. While at t over 2 it is minus gamma square. Again it is equal to gamma square. Okay, the line. Okay, then if you square it, then you will get parabola. So then it is parabola concave up. Similarly here, again at 3 over 4 it is equal to 0, at t it is equal to gamma square. طيب هذه الخطوة الأولى. Then I need to find integration and divided by t. لاحظ الآتي. So for square here equal to over t 1 over full period مع أنه ممكن آخذ only 1, so 1 over t integration from 0 to t of x square t under root. Yes. لاحظ this area it is exactly equal to this area, and this one it is equal to this. Similarly, this one it is equal to this area. So then instead of doing this, so let me multiply it by 4. Okay, so 1, just take this part and multiply it by 4. Okay, and take the integration from here to here. فلو خدت هذه ضربت في 4, so then it will be exactly the same. So then it is 4 and here t over 4. إيش كنت أقول نفس الشيء? Because this 4 you can put it here, so it is from 0 to t over 4 divided by 1 over t over 4. So then you will get exactly same answer. طيب لاحظ الاكس سكوير. I'm integrating from 0 to t over 4, which means that this one, this area. So I need the equation for this line, for this curve. I mean, when I even from here. Okay, so whatever I get as equation for this line, I need to square it here. general equation of this line. General equation and how to find it. We have, it's form number one. We have y-intercept. Okay. Just we need to find the slope of the line. And you have also x-intercept. If you can apply form number one, apply form number two, you will get exactly the same. What is the slope of this line? Slope equal to delta y, which is gamma, divided by delta x, which is from here to here, or if you want to take it from here to here, then delta y will be equal to 2 delta, نفس الشيء. So then from here to here, it is equal to t divided by 4. Slope is negative, decreasing, so it is minus. Multiplied by t plus y-intercept, or multiplied by t, form number 3, minus the x-intercept, which is this one, t over 4. بالضبط نفس الشيء بيطلع لك. So then this is equal to 4 gamma over t multiplied by t minus t over 4. Okay, when you square it here, لما أسوي له square, then negative square will be positive. هذه 4 بتروح فوق, square it, then it becomes 16 gamma square divided by t square multiplied by t minus t over 4 all square. Just you need to put all these here. يلاحظ هنا الحين 16 gamma also constant, t also constant, so all these you can take it outside. لو جبت هذه من الحين and it is equal to integration of. So here we have 16, 16 multiplied by 4, which is 64. Gamma square. Okay, here we have t, and from here we have t squared and t cubed divided by t cubed. Then integration from 0 to t over 4 of t minus t over 4 square dt. That is calculus now. Equal to 64 gamma squared divided by t cubed multiplied by. So this is same as x squared. So integration, it is equal to whatever we have here, x cubed divided by 3. So it is 1 over 3 t minus t over 4 cubed. 0 to t over 4. So then it is equal to 64 gamma squared over 3t cubed divided by. At t over 4, this is equal to 0 minus. At 0, it's equal to minus t over 4 cubed. So minus minus, I will get plus t cubed divided by 4 cubed, which is 64. Okay. T cubed cancel with t cubed, 64 cancel with 64, and left with gamma square under root, it is equal to gamma divided by root 3. Okay, and 1 over root 3, yeah. Calculating root 3. And this is root mean square value. صعب. It is easy. Except you should know how to apply this formula. بس تحتاج انك انت تطلع x square. Okay, then you need to find the formula of the line, square it, then put it here. بعدين خلاص calculus.
دكتور
تفضل.
افتكرت شلون سويت الرسمة الثانية مال اكس سكوير؟
شلون سويتها؟ سويت غير علينا هذا. اوكي. كل لاين احنا قلنا اللاين معناها الاشياء احنا في البدايه ركز عليها، بس هذه واضح انه معلش لازم اقول انا الكلام دي واضح انه يعني لحد الان ما، او البعض يعني ما فتح النوتس وما قرا الاشياء مالت البدايه. الاشياء مالت البدايه واحد يشوفه اوه سهله شنو هاي ستريت لاين ما كذا، لكن انا قاعد اقول لكم كل حصه بتحتاجه لنهايه السمستر. قلنا احنا هذه اللاين if you square line then you will get parabola دائما. اللاين square it you will get parabola. فاللي عندي هنا الحين هذه قيمتها جاما. So if you square it then you will get gamma square. هني صفر. If you square it then you will get 0. Between this and this I have a straight line. If you square it then you will get parabola concave up. Similarly here هذه 0 هاي minus gamma square is gamma square يعني هني. Okay, between these 2 points again we have straight line. Square it then you will get parabola concave up. بس وقاعد تكرر روحها. واضح؟
تمام دكتور.
بعدين اقرأوا شوية ترى لا تحط في بالك ليلة الاختبار أو ليلة الكويز أو بتقعد بتفهم كل شيء بتضيع. أقول لك بتضيع صراحة بتضيع. وكلمة ضياع معناته شيئين، يا أنك أنت ما بتواصل يا أنك بتجيب درجة very low. فكل يوم أنت افهم في الفصة، روح ربع ساعة بس استرجع الأشياء هذه بس، ما بتحتاج أكثر من كذي. So by this way the property first one instantaneous value for any signal. بعدين خذنا average value, root mean square value, periodicity. Now let we talk about power and energy. Power and energy. الانرجي واحد ممكن يقول لي شنو الباور شنو الانرجي؟ what is power what is energy? how we define شلون نعرف الباور وشلون نعرف الانرجي in general.
Power is
rate of what?
Rate of energy consumption.
What is energy? بفيزيكال مينينج. لما اقول لك هذه انرجي وهذه باور، شنو معناته؟ He said that this lamp is 100 watts. اوكي، معناته قوتها 100 watts. اوكي، اذا قلت انا السياره هذه it is الكار it is 1000 horsepower مثلا. Okay, so this is the power of the car, but it is not necessary that you use all power. For example, for a lamp, you can connect a dimmer. Okay, so then you can use less power. Okay, كلش تخلي الإضاءة خافتة جدا, so then it means that you are taking maybe 10 watts, 20 watts. So consuming this power with the time, then it means that it is energy. So change one form to another form. So you change electricity to light, for example. You change electricity to motion, movement. You change electricity to, for example, heat. فهذه كلها تحويلات طاقة. Okay, so there is a power. If you don't use it, then you have a power. Okay, lamp, it is 100 watts, but once you turn the switch on, it means that you are turning from now until some other times. So then you are consuming electricity, which means that it is energy. The form of energy يعتمد شنو قاعد تستخدم. It could be light, could be heat, could be anything. Here for a signal, okay, هذه general power and energy. So as you say that power, mathematically it's P of T, it is equal to energy, rate of change of energy, which is rate معناته change of energy in general. So which means that energy, E of T, it is integration of P of T dt from 0 to T. Yes, دائما نقول إذا هذه T, then it means that this one we need to change it to another variables. Okay, it's supposed to be from minus infinity to T. Okay, but if you start from 0 here, it means that you have initial energy. Okay, so let me generalize this one. Then it is from T naught. Okay, and energy at T naught. Energy. If P is constant, okay, will be constant, and that is something like this. This is P of T. We have like this. It means that voltage and current is constants. معناته DC. We use a DC. So then here P average equal to the value of this P. So then energy, it is area under the curve. So then energy, it is equal to P average multiplied by time. So you need energy until here, then it is area under the curve of this. Okay, so if it is not constant, then you need to use integration. So always we add what is the initial energy. ليش initial energies? For example, if you have water in a glass, you need to take this one into account. Okay, هي ما كانت empty, so there is some little water in the tank or in the glass, and you add some more water here. So then a total will be whatever you add plus whatever you have here. واضح. فلذلك احنا دائما نبي الانيشال that we fill this one from zero or we fill it from some يعني some amount. نفس الشيء التانكي مال البترول مال السيارة. Okay, it is for sure that it will be different. يعني إذا عندك هذه full or هذه zero, this is full. So if it is here, then it's mean that there is some petrol fuel in your tank. So you are filled and pay for this amount. وهذه غير لما أنت تسوي like this. هذه full. إذا كان الpointer here. So then you need to pay for all this amount. واضح؟ So in general, that energy is equal to area under the curve of P. Remember this. Okay, وقلنا إن ال P of T, it is equal to X square of T. Okay, our definition for the energy, whether it is voltage or current. If we have R, and this is my current X of T, and it is equal to R X square T, هذه P of T. Okay, by assuming that this R equal to 1, because it's not going to affect the waveform. Okay, it's going to scale it. So then it is, we can write it, it is 1 multiplied by X squared. So if you have something different, just you need to scale this one. Okay, then energy, nothing that's equal to integration of P of T, which is X squared T dt. If you want total energies, then it's an integration from minus infinity to infinity. Okay, for a signal definition, F, energy is finite. Finite معناته it's between 0 but less than infinity. We have a value for energy. عندي رقم, okay, يعطيني 10, 500, 1000, 1 million, but it is not equal to infinity. So energy is finite. And P average equal to 0. Then this signal, we call it, it is okay, طبيعي, according to our definition. Example, let me say that we have this one. Energy, if this is P of T, so energy equal to area under the curve, which is this. Finite. الرقم اللي عندي هذه, it's equal to and then go P, and this is T. So it is equal to P multiplied by T. So then energy is finite. But P average, it is from here, it is equal to energy divided by time. Time is defined from minus infinity to plus infinity for all time, because it is integration from minus infinity to plus infinity. So then it is P average will be equal to energy, which is P multiplied by T, divided by full time, which is infinity, then it is equal to 0. So P average equal to 0, then this one, it is energy signal. P average is finite. Energy equal to infinity. Now this signal, we call it, it is power signal. And power. رايح إلى الانفينيتي. Okay, see again. Total energy under the curve equal to this area plus this area plus this area plus this area plus. So then total energy will be equal to infinity because it is from minus infinity to plus infinity. While P average, this is periodic, so then it is just equal to take for one full period. So 1 over T multiplied by total area under the curve here. So then P average will be equal to this area divided by this period. So then P average is finite. So then it is power signal. واضح. Any question? Okay. هذه ال P average. It's equal to, we say that 1 over T integration from 0 to T of T, but P of T it is x squared T dt. هذه يشبه مع هذا. شنو الفرق؟ Here we have a square root. Then it means that if I have x effective and you square it, you will get this one. So then P average, it is equal to x effective. يعني root mean square value square. هذه شبيهة. مجرد now I don't have a root here. So if you square both sides there, and you will get here this quantities. So then it is equal to x squared. So x effective equal to root of this one. So then if you have x effective, then it means that you have P average. If you have P average, okay, it means that you have x effective. And find it by this relation. خلونا ناخذ example. On energy signal or power signal. It is energy signal, what is the value of energy? If it is power signal, what is the value of the average? هل هذه energy or power?
Energy signal.
Energy signal.
Energy.
How to find energy? كم الانرجي؟
squared
بعدين find the area under the curve. Okay, because this is x of t. And the first step, you need to square it. I2. So if you square it here, so then at 1 will be 1 square, so I gain 1. Square of t. Okay, between 0 and 1, it is straight line. So if you square it, then you will get parabola. Between 1 and 2, again a straight line. Okay, then if you square it, then you will get again parabola. This is equal to 0, and here also equal to 0. Then energy equal to total area under the curve, which is from minus infinity to plus infinity of P of t dt. From minus infinity to plus infinity, from minus infinity to 0, it is equal to 0. And from 2 to infinity, again equal to 0. So then we don't need to write it from minus infinity. Generally, yes, from minus infinity to plus infinity. But for this one, since from minus infinity to 0 is equal to 0, and from 2 to infinity equal to 0, then we need to just integrate from 0 to 2. In the area here, since it is parabola, so area here is equal to the area here. So then instead of integrating from 0 to 2, no, let me integrate it from 0 to 1 and multiply it by 2. So then it is until 1, but we multiply it by 2. Okay, what is the value of P of t between 0 and 1? So we need to find this formula. Okay, to find this one from 0 to 1, it means that I need to find this one. I think it is clear. Y-intercept equal to 0. So then it is slope multiplied by t. Slope it's equal to from here to here 1, from here to here 1, it is 1. So then it is equal to t. If you square it, then here you will get t squared. So then P of t here, it is equal to t squared. And this is خلاص صارت calculus. It is 2. Here it is t cubed divided by 3 from 0 to 1. At 1 it is equal to 1, at 0 equal to 0, so then it is 2 over 3. What is the unit of energy?
Joule.
Over 3 joules.
دكتور في هالإكزامبل إكس شنو تمثل؟ الكرنت يعني؟
السيجنال. الإكس تمثل أني سيجنال، أني ويف فورم، السيجنال اللي جايتني. أوكي؟ So then this one, مثل ما قلنا هي energy signal. Hey, what's about this? Is it energy signal or power signal? هني طبعا لازم تكتب الآتي لا تنسى. الانرجي equal to 2 over 3. It is finite between 0 to infinity. And P average, as we said, that it is equal to 0, then this is energy signal. Okay, what's about this one? Is it energy signal or power signal?
power signal.
Signal, because if you square it, okay, مثل ما قلنا بيطلع لي شيء من هالقبيل. Area, total area under the curve equal to infinity. Okay, بتصير infinity. So energy equal to infinity. And P average, it is equal to 1 over T integration of x square T dt from minus infinity, okay, to T, sorry. And it's equal to x effective square. How do we solve x effective for this one? فما يحتاج أعيد مرة ثانية أحله. Okay, وعرفت إن هذه this is gamma square, this is gamma, so it is equal to gamma x effective equal to gamma divided by root 3 all square. So then it is equal to gamma square divided by 3. If gamma, for example, equal to 10, then it is equal to 100 divided by 3, which is equal to 33.33 watts. السؤال, any question here? هل case it is same with a discrete? Yes. ناخذ another example here. So let me say that x of n equal to is equal for n greater than 0 but less than 5, and it is equal to 10 minus n for n greater than or equal to 5 but less than 10, and it is 0 twice. الآتي here. Is this one energy signal? السؤال دائما كذي. Is this one energy signal or power signal? Here it is clear that we have P average and energy equal to infinity, then this is power signal. Okay, this one. أول ترسمها. عندي from 0 minus 1 0 1 2 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 and so on. from 0 to 5 it is equal to n. يعني at 0 it is equal to 0. At 1 it is equal to 1. 2 it is equal to 2. At 3 equal to 3. 4 it is equal to 4. انتبه لهني. هذه strictly less than 5. It means that يعني don't use this one to calculate the value of xn at 5. Greater than or equal to 0 but less than 5. ف 5 معناته don't count it here. كذي ساعات يكتبون كذي it is less than or equal to n less than 4 مثلا. هذه okay. Okay, but for 5 it is here. So at 5 it is equal to 10 minus 5, so which is 5. At 6 it is equal to 10 minus 6, which is 4. At 7, 10 minus 7, which is a 3. At 8, 10 minus 8, which is 2. At 9 it is 10 minus 9, 1. Again, هذه less than 10, so at 10 it means that otherwise. So at 10 it's equal to 0, 11 equal to 0, and minus 1 equal to 0, and so on. So this is x of n. I think here that this is finite. Okay, so since it is finite, then we can calculate energy. Energy equal to summation of x of n squared. Okay, from minus infinity to infinity. But again, from minus infinity to 0, it is equal to 0, and from 10 to 11 again equal to 0. So then it is equal to 1 square 1 plus 2 square 4 plus 3 square 9 plus 4 square 16 plus 5 square 25. لاحظ هني. So we are repeating this one: 4 square, 3 square, 2 square, 1 square. So I can write this and multiply it. Then it is equal to 16, 20, 30, 60, 85. Energy is finite, and P it is equal to total energy divided by infinity, which is equal to 0, and this signal is energy signal. واضح؟ طيب, another example. Let x of n equal to the power of minus n, or n greater than or equal to 0, and it is 0 otherwise. Is this one energy signal or power signal? واحد يقول لي
Energy signal.
power signal.
and let me plot it. البلوت شوية توضح. Okay. For n greater than or equal to 0, I can use this formula. but else it is equal to 0. So it means that at -1 for sure it is equal to 0. At 0, it is 2 to the power of 0, which is equal to 1. Okay. At 1, it is equal to 2 to the power of -1. 2 to the power of -1 معناتها half. 1/2. At 2, it is equal to 2 to the power of -2, which is 1/4. At 3, 2 to the power of -3, 1/8. 1/16. 64, and so on. ما بتوصل 0. Always some 1/32, sorry. Then 1/64, then 1/128, and so on. This is x of n. Is it energy signal or power signal?
Power signal.
Energy.
الانرجي. لاحظ الانرجي. Energy equal to summation of x square of n, n from -infinity to +infinity. This non-zero is equal to 0, so then it is from 0 to infinity. من الزيرو بادي إلى infinity. What is the value of x square? So here it is 1. 1 معناته 1/2 to the power of 0. And this is 1/2 to the power of 1. This is 1/2 to the power of 2. Okay? Similarly, this is 1/2 to the power of 3. So then it is summation of summation of 1/2 all square, 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. So 1/2 to the power of 2n. ذلك add 0 is equal to only n. Square it, so when this is x of n, this is x of n, so when we square it, then it becomes all to the power of 2. يعني أساساً هي كذي. This is x of n. So 2, then I can put it here and remove it from here. So this 2, I can put it here also. So then it is equal to 1/4. And remove it from here. Out this one. شلون نحل هذه؟ هذه يسمونها series, huh? So since it is from 0 to infinity, then it is equal to 1/1 minus r So R, it is equal to 1/4. So then it is equal to 1/4. So it is equal to 4/3, 1/3 joules. Any question?
الدكتور تقدر تعيدهم شي على السريع من البداية؟ شلون؟
نقول ان القانون الانرجي equal to summation of x of n square from minus infinity to plus infinity. زين بس from minus infinity الى الزيرو كل شيء زيرو. قبل الزيرو كل شيء زيرو، فذان it is from n equal to 0 to infinity لان كلهم لهم قيمة 5 6 7 ففي لهم it's not equal to 0 لكن مو بزيرو. اوكي الانرجي هذا هي خلينا نكتبها from minus infinity to infinity of x square n. x square x of n it is equal to 1/2 to the power of n. هذه كانت 1 هذه half هذه 1/4 1/8 and so on. Then I can write it as 1/2 power of n هذه الx ولكن احنا نبي x square so square it so square I can put it here so 2 to the power of n بدل هذه 2 ممكن احطها هني so بتصير 2 square then it is 1/4. هذه شلون احلها؟ هذه نسميها السيريز المتتابعة الحسابية so فيها قانون والقانون يقول 1/1 minus r. وين ال r is equal to this one so 1/4. اوكي 1/4 هني وخلاص بتطلع لك الإجابة. واضح محمد؟
اي اوكي تمام دكتور.
طيب اوكي كذي نكون بحط لكم homework 2 or tutorial number 2 actually so you can solve it. خلصنا الانرجي خلصنا الباور خلصنا effective value average value periodicity and اللي هي instantaneous value. Another important property is signal symmetry. Signal symmetry أظن يعني شفتوا الحين أهميته. Okay, especially in some examples before. So if we have symmetry, then it's going to reduce calculation maybe 50%, sometimes more than 50%, 60%. ساعات أكثر من كذي, especially when we talk about Fourier series بعدين. شوفوا هني أنا بدل ما أسويها 4 مرات just I am taking 1 and multiply it by 4. ليش؟ لأن فيها تشابه فيها symmetry. Okay, same as this one. لأن فيها symmetry instead of integrating from here to here and find the equation for this and the equation for this one. No, we say that let me integrate from 0 to 1 and multiply it by 2. يساعدني وايد صراحة. اوكي signal symmetry عندي نوعين. ممكن يكون تشابه بهذه الصورة. واصل، ولكن here whatever we have on the right we have it on the left. Okay. هذه الvalue here it is t, value here it is minus t, so then x of minus t always equal to x of t. مو بس كذي for all t طبعا. لو كانت t here then it is equal to the value of minus t which is here, even though if it is 0. Anywhere here it is equal to exactly the value here. قصدي أنا في القيمة x, okay, so قيمة x which is here. This value equal to this value for all t. Then this signal we call it is even signal or even symmetry. This is t, this is minus t. We have minus t, it is opposite of t. وكان كذي أو كان كذي نفس الشيء. Any value here for minus t, it's exactly equal to the value to the right hand side but opposite أو العكس طبعا. At minus t equal to minus the value of whatever we have in right hand side. So then x of minus t equal to minus x of t. Again for all t, then this signal we call it is odd. And same thing for discrete. So discrete, same thing, نفس الشيء. If this is 0, 1, 2, 3, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. So let me say that this is here, then whatever we have at 1, we have it at minus 1. Whatever we have at minus 2, we have it at 2. And whatever we have at 3, we have it at minus 3. فهذه نسميها even. Okay, نفس الشيء. طيب. For odd, it is يعني this is n, هذه 0, 1, 2, minus 1, minus 2. So let me say that this is 0. Whatever we have at 1, we have same value but with opposite sign. Okay, at 2, then at minus 2 will be opposite. نفس الفالue. Is for odd. About this one. is this one even or odd? According to the definition, it is not odd ولا هي even, because x قلنا اللي عندي في اليمين مفروض يكون عندي في اليسار, so that this is for sure that it is not even. Okay? Whatever we have on the right, we should have opposite sign on the left. So here we have positive, but here we have zero. أكيد مو بود. يعني السيجنال ممكن يكون لا even لا odd. But we can do something here to change it to even part and odd part. Why I'm doing this? Because it will be easier, okay, in mathematical operation. Same as this one. If we know what is, if it is even, then just calculate value here and multiply it by 2. Okay. If you know that it is odd, again, if you want to find total area as absolute value, again, just calculate here and multiply it by 2. في أشياء ممكن يعني أطلع منها وأستنتجها من خلال ال even and odd. أي سؤال؟ اوكي اذكركم لا تاجلون الاساينمنت من الحين, ابتدوا واشتغلوا على الاساينمنت. مو difficult, it is very easy. Okay, try to be very fast during the quiz. توفيق جميعا ان شاء الله. السلام عليكم.